Welcome students. We discuss users of accounting information. Okay. In previous video we already discussed about accounting, bookkeeping, difference between the bookkeeping and accounting functions. I already discussed your function, advantages you can read, limitation that is not very important. Okay. So now see main what users of accounting information. Okay, users of accounting information means कि when we are making the when we are doing the accounting, we prepare the journal, we prepare the journal, ledger, okay, trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, these all we prepare. Okay, so what the use of these things preparing, कि why we are making these, why we are making the journal entry, then we are posting them to the ledger, then we are making the trial balance, after trial balance we are making the summary, preparing the profit and loss account, balance sheet. So all, so these, so who needs this information? So who needs this information? So this information is needed by the businessmen. There are two type of businessmen and other who are having the stake in the business, or you can say interest in the business or in the company. Okay, so users of accounting information are two category. ठीक है, यूजर्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन आर ऑफ टू कैटेगरी. यूजर्स मीन्स कि देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ यूजर्स. वन इज इंटरनल यूजर्स, अनदर इज एक्सटर्नल यूजर्स. ओके, इंटरनल यूजर्स एंड both need the accounting information. Internal user also need the accounting information and external user also need the accounting information. Got it? Now see, in internal users, first we will read what is, who are the internal users. Internal users means कि these are the internally in the business. These are the internally in the business. ओके, तो बिजनेस के अंदर के यूजर्स हैं, जिनको आप क्या बोलते हैं, कंपनी के अंदर, बिजनेस के अंदर के जो यूजर्स हैं. तो इंटरनल यूजर्स फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस. ऑनर, सबसे पहले कौन होता है? यूजर्स ऑनर. ऑनर मीन्स द पर्सन who invest the money in the business. Okay, who contribute the capital. Okay, owner contribute the capital in the business and exposed to a maximum risk. ठीक है, owner means who contribute the capital. What is the meaning of capital? Capital is the money invested by the businessman in the business. What is the meaning of capital? Capital means the money इन्वेस्टेड बाय द बिजनेसमैन इन हिज बिजनेस. वो पैसा जो बिजनेसमैन ने अपने बिजनेस में क्या लगाया, इन्वेस्ट किया है. ठीक है, तो डैट इज़ नोन एज द कैपिटल. गॉट इट? कि कैपिटल, अभी 10 तक आपने कैपिटल का मतलब पढ़ा होगा कि ठीक है, जैसे कि उत्तराखंड की देहरादून है. ठीक है, बट इन accounts, capital means the money invested by the businessman in the business. Okay, तो owner contribute capital in the business and exposed to the maximum risk. उसको क्या होता है? maximum risk होता है. They are obviously interested in knowing the profit earned or a loss incurred by the business, the safety of their capital. इसीलिए जो businessman होता है, because owner is a internal user, because he has इन्वेस्टेड द मनी इन द बिजनेस, और ही नोज़ कि जो पैसा उसने इन्वेस्ट किया है, जो पैसा उसने बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट किया, द मनी विच ही हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन द बिजनेस, ही इज़ गेटिंग प्रॉफिट और नॉट. उसको प्रॉफिट भी हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. अब प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का कहाँ से पता लगेगा? व्हेन ही विल डू द अकाउंटिंग, कि उसको प्रॉफिट भी हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या फिर लॉस हो रहा है. इधर ही इज गेटिंग द प्रॉफिट और इनकरिंग द लॉसेज. सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन ही विल गेट फ्रॉम व्हेन ही विल डू द अकाउंटिंग. He will prepare the trading account, he will prepare the profit and loss account, then he will know about his profit and losses, because the person, the owner has invested the money in the business. Okay, तो फर्स्ट यूजर कौन है अकाउंटिंग का? ऑनर. सेकंड, मैनेजमेंट. मैनेजमेंट मीन्स कि बिकॉज group of peoples who manage the business, in company, ownership is different from the management. Okay, in companies ownership is different from the management. Management having the control over the employees. He take the various decisions in the जो बड़ी बड़ी companies होती हैं, the big companies, they are having the big management, many people are working in the organization, so the organization need the information. From where did he get the information? From accounting he gets the information. Got it? So management is normally as separate from the owner. They make extensive use of accounting information for decision making, because management have to take the various decisions such as determination of selling prices, cost control, reduction, investment in new project, etc. Okay, so management is also a user of the accounting. Management is a internal user. Management is a internal user. Got it? Now third है employee. Employee means the person who are working under the management. जो लोग क्या करते हैं, काम कर रहे हैं किसके अंडर में? मैनेजमेंट के अंडर में. ओके, जैसे एम्प्लॉय आर एंटाइटल टू, बिकॉज वाई द एम्प्लॉय इज ऑल्सो द इंटरनल यूजर. एम्प्लॉय इज ऑल्सो द internal user. Employee are entitled to a bonus at the year of end. Okay, so all the employees have to pay the salary. Okay, they need the bonus. But what, because if he knows if company is getting profit or he is getting the loss, if he knows about this, then he can only give the salary or a bonus to his staff. Okay, so employee is a very important, so he must know the accounting information. He needs the accounting information. So employee are entitled to a bonus at the year end, which is linked to the profit earned by an enterprise. Therefore employee are interested in the financial statement. Therefore the employee are interested in the financial statement. Okay, so see, internal users are owners, management and employee. Okay, in paper if he comes, who are the internal user, first you will write the owner. Owner means the person who have invested the money in the business. Management means the person who are working in management means ki the management is not be separate from the owner. Okay, so management is a group of peoples, ठीक है, who are working for the company or any business activity. Okay, employee means the person who are working under the management. The person who are working under the management, they are all are the employee. They needs the accounting information. Okay, now see, next are the external users. Okay, now we will discuss external user. Okay, bank and financial institution. Banks and financial institution. Banks, many banks, you know. Okay, all the banks, there are many banks, private bank, public sector bank, because businessmen, or you can say businessmen or company or any other private or government companies, they need the loan. Without banking, business is not possible. So banks need the financial information regarding their customer. So they go, see, banks and financial institutions are essential part of any business, as they provide loans to the business. Because they provide the loans to the business, naturally they watch the performance of business to know whether it is making the progress or project to be ensure the safety, services and recovery of the loan and advance. Okay, so banks are financial institution means ki the banks, because bank have to give the loan. Many businessmen have to take. Without bank, business is not possible. So businessmen have to take the loan from bank, but bank only give the loan because when he knows the accounting information of the businessman. When he will ask for the profit and loss account, he will ask for the balance sheet. Okay, so then banks need these. So the bank want these balance sheet, because he wants to know about the financial position of that businessman. So banks and financial institutions are the external users. Okay, because why? Because they want to know about the financial position of the businessman. Okay, or on the basis of this balance sheet or profit and loss account, they will give the loan to the businessman. Okay, उसके बाद investor and potential investors. Second, these are the external banks. Second is investor and potential investor. Investor means the person who are invested the money in the business. Okay, so I'm not talking about the businessman a single ownership business. Okay, we are talking about the company, because in the company many persons have invested the money. The persons means shareholder. Okay, who have invested the money in the business, debentures holder. So they wants to know about the financial performance of the business. They wants to know about the financial performance of the business of company. So he must need the accounting information. उसको क्या चाहिए होती है? Accounting information. Investor involve risk and investor do not have direct control over the business. Therefore, they rely on the accounting information because they need the accounting information available to them. Okay, so on the basis of accounting information, investor will invest the money in the various shares, debentures, bonds. There are many type of investing securities where the investor invests the money. So bank investor and potential investor means ki who want to invest in the business. Okay, who want to invest in the shares of the company. So if he knows, if he having the accounting information, then he will invest the money on the business, because on the basis of this he will take the decisions on the basis of the accounting information. Means balance sheet और उसके basis पे क्या करेगा वो अपना पैसा क्या करेगा, because he needs the what is the earning capacity ki from accounting information he will get what is the earning capacity of enterprises, its financial performance and safe of their investment. Okay, now see creditors. Creditors are the third external users. Creditors are the parties who supply goods or services on credit. जो लोग क्रेडिट पे मीन्स उधार पे, उधार मतलब क्रेडिटर्स. तो क्रेडिटर्स also needs the accounting information. Creditor also need the accounting information. It is the common business practice that large number of supplier remain invested in the business in the form of credit sales before granting. Okay, तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊँ what is the meaning of creditors. Creditor means who from whom you have purchased the goods on credit, from where the businessman purchase goods on credit, कि from the supplier he have purchased the goods on credit. तो उसको he have to make the payment to the supplier. Okay, लेकिन when creditor will only give the credit only when he knows about the accounting information of the businessman, when he knows the accounting information of the businessman. Got it? Creditors are the parties who supply goods or services on credit. It is the common business practice that large number of suppliers remain invested in the business in the form of credit sale. Before granting or extending the credit, creditors satisfy themselves about the credit worthiness of the business. Before giving the credit, creditor will only give credit when he knows the credit worthiness, कि what is the goodwill of the business business. So goodwill of the business, or you can say credit worthiness of the business, it will show from only from the accounting information by profit and loss account or by balance sheet. उसके next is external users. Okay, next is the external users में आता है government and its authorities. Government and its authorities. Government and authorities means कि government invested money in the government invested means कि invested, government also invest the money in the business, but government and other authorities कि because government have to imposes the taxes. टैक्स मीन्स कि गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स इम्पोज करना होता है बिजनेसमैन के ऊपर. सो ही नीड्स द अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. द गवर्नमेंट मेक यूज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट टू कंपेयर द नेशन इनकम accounts and other information. The information so available unable to take the policy decision. Okay, the government and its authorities कि many government also need the accounting information. So government have make compulsory that company have to do the prepare their profit and loss account and balance sheet according to the Companies Act 1956 and 2013. So government and other authorities also need the accounting information because government have to impose the taxes. The government lies vary taxes such as excise duties, VAT, service tax, income tax. The government authorities assess correct tax dues from the analysis. So on the basis of this accounting information, government will impose the taxes on the companies on various taxes, or without accounting information, government is not able to impose taxes. So government asks for the various accounting information from the businessman regarding their accounting. उसके बाद researchers are using the accounting information in their research work. Okay, the research who are making the various researches, so they need the accounting information. At last, consumer requires the accounting information for establishing good accounting controls so that cost of production may be reduced with the resultant reduction in the prices of product they buy. Okay, so these all are the external users: banks and financial institution, investor and potential investors, creditors, government and its authorities, researchers, or consumer. Okay, so these all are the last में है public. Okay, so you can read public means okay. Now see, we will discuss branches or subfield of accounting. Okay, branches and subfield of account. See, now branches or subfield of accounting. Okay, there are many branches of accounting. Okay, so in your book only 3 branches you have discussed. So first you must know about the what are the various branches of accounting. These are the specialized branches. First one is a financial accounting, which I am teaching you. This book is financial accounting. Okay, in this financial accounting is also come. First is the bookkeeping, then financial accounting will come. Next, cost accounting and management accounting. These 3 type of accounting: cost accounting, financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. Financial accounting. Okay, the financial accounting is concerned with recording of financial transactions, summary, and interpreting them and communicating to the result. It is original form of accounting. Okay, so financial accounting is regarded the preparing of the profit and loss account and balance sheet. It is originally form of accounting, and it is ascertain the profit or loss suffered during the period and financial position of the day. So in financial accounting, what are the main accounts are prepared: profit and loss account and balance sheet. Cost accounting, it is a part of economics. It is a part of economics because cost accounting is where the per unit prices of the product you have to calculate. Okay, the limitation of financial accounting respect to the information related to the cost of production services lead to the development of specialized branch. Okay, cost accounting. So is financial accounting. First one is a financial accounting, second one is a cost accounting. It is the economic, you will read in the economics, or special branch is also there, cost accounting. Okay, in economics cost accounting is come. In economic, why we are discussing about cost accounting? Because in this you will have to learn about the how the cost of product is determined, per unit cost, per unit cost, overall cost. So you will discuss in the cost accounting. Okay, and last is a management accounting. Management accounting is the mostly recently developed branch of accounting. It is not accounting, it is accounting, but it is done for taking the various decisions regarding the business. Okay, so management accounting is the most recently developed branch of accounting. It is concerned with generating accounting information related to the funds, cost, profit. Okay, in this you will related the information regarding the funds, cost, and profit. As it enable the management to decision making, it help in the management in the decision making. We may say the management accounting address the needs and users of the in the management. Okay, तो आप सबसे पहले इसमें ये 3 अकाउंटिंग है, कौन कौन सी है? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, जो हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं. इन दिस बुक वी आर रीडिंग द फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट है कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. ये इकोनॉमिक्स में भी आती है, इसका एक सेपरेट ब्रांच है cost accounting, where per unit cost and total cost of product is determined. Okay, management accounting, in 12th you will read the management accounting. In 12th you will read financial accounting also and management accounting. This accounting is done for the various decision making progress. Okay, now see last this the system of recording, system of accounting. So the system of recording transaction in the books of account are classified into 2 types. Okay, one is a double entry system, second one is a single entry system. Double entry system, it is very important. Double entry system. Single entry system is a old, they are not used by the general business, but double entry is a system ki how the accounting is done. accounting is done on the basis of double entry system. Double entry means one side is debited, other side is credited. Okay, so double entry system means a system of accounting which recognize and record both the aspect debit and credit of financial transaction. Okay, तो डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट मतलब अभी आप इस फॉर योर फर्स्ट यू ओनली यू थिंक आप लोग इसको समझो कि देर आर टू system of accounting. One is double entry system, as second one is a single entry system. So when double entry system is when the journal entry will come, I will tell you what is a debit, what is a credit. A single entry system, when this chapter will come, I will discuss you. Okay, so this is a theory part, read it. Now we will do the some next chapter. Okay, thank you students.